Big bad body, long in neck. Swear it was a woman that had me gripped. Big vibrations, yeah, just one glance. He's gonna blow my mind. He's gonna make you wanna, oh, Johnny got a bonbon, Johnny got a bag. He got a watch out there, see what's in his head. Got no choice, he's a big bad boy. He's gonna freak you out, gonna shriek you loud. He's got you in his hands, gonna make you wanna, oh, Johnny got a bonbon, Johnny got a bag. He got a watch out man, see what's in his hand. Got no choice, he's a big bad boy. He's gonna freak you out, gonna shriek out loud. He's got you in his hands, he's gonna make you wanna, oh. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.